Hi guys, so today we'll be making the ingredients for money bag dumplings. So all you need is your carrots, your onions, your spring onions, your green pepper, your sugar, your chicken, and your rodo, which is fresh pepper, but that's actually optional. If you want, you can skip the fresh pepper part, so that's optional. So what you're seeing me do now is I'm actually dividing the onions into two because I would need the onions to tie the mouth of the money bag dumplings when I am done wrapping it, when I'm done packaging it. I'll need you to tie the mouth so that the ingredients inside won't pour out when frying or after frying. So you would need to open your onions like this. Take a knife and let the knife run through the middle. Then you separate the two sides from each other, and then you can actually make those sides flat. Now, when you're done with that, get your pan, you put your pan on fire, and then you add oil to the pan. When the oil is hot, not too hot, but hot enough, you add your onions to it, and then you allow the onions fry a bit. Don't forget to stir continuously and make sure to fry on low heat. Now, after that, you can go in with your rodo, your fresh pepper. That's if you're using fresh pepper, you can go in with your fresh pepper next. Now, you also allow that one fry a bit. You mix it up and allow it fry a bit. Then, when that has fried a bit, you can add your green pepper. That's your bell pepper, the green one. Then you add your what's it called, spring onions also later. So make sure to fry on low heat. Like I said, make sure your fire is on low heat. So you keep stirring and allowing them mix with each other and fry and all of that. And please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, please kindly turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that anytime we post a new video, you will be notified. So the next thing to do is to add your carrots to it. Add your carrots to it and also stir and let everything fry on low heat. Now the spring onions you divided into two, you're not adding it to it. No, that one is just to tie the mouth of the money bag dumplings. So that one you can set aside. Yeah, I'm just sprinkling some oil, but it's actually not necessary. So after that, after you've added your whole ingredients, the next thing to add to it is your sugar. So you add your sugar to it. So the chicken you saw, the chicken was already spiced and cooked and all of that. So after cooking your chicken, after cooking and spicing it, you dice it. You dice it to small, small, very small pieces. When I turn it inside, you would see it. So then, before you go in with this, before you start this process, because you will be adding your chicken to this. So what I just added now is sugar. So you add your sugar to it and then you stir. So now I added my dark soy sauce, which is actually not compulsory. You can skip that part also. Then lastly, you go in with your chicken. Then you allow your chicken fry with it and mix with the whole ingredients. After all that is done, now you can drop this and set it aside while you prepare your wrap for your dumplings. So that's how you make your ingredients for your money bag dumplings. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.